voice, music, image, video. No subscription, no API, no cloud, just a consumer GPU and a free app that makes all of this embarrassingly easy. Welcome back to SmartStack, where we figure out how to make AI work for people who don't have a server rack in their basement. I've got an RTX 3070 with 8 gigs of VRAM, which is basically the Honda Civic of AI hardware. Not sexy, not powerful, but it gets you where you need to go. And today, I'm going to show you exactly where that is. We're going through 4 completely different AI capabilities, each one a step up from the last. Every single one of these runs locally on your machine. Everyone is free, and everyone is installed through a single app called Pinokio. I'll show you a real example for each with the exact prompt I used, so you can grab these and run them yourself. Let's get into it. One quick thing before we start. Go to pinokio.computer, download the app, and you get this library of AI tools where every single one is literally one button to install and one button to run. No Python setup. No CUDA errors at 2 a.m. No dependency hell. It just works. And I say this as someone who spent 2 years wrestling with Conda environments. Pinokio is kind of insulting in how simple it makes things. Insulting in the best way. Alright, app 1. Voice cloning. And before anyone gets ideas, clone your own voice. Use it for your own stuff. We're not doing anything weird here. Ultimate TTS Studio uses a zero-shot voice cloning model, meaning you give it about 15 to 30 seconds of reference audio, and it can generate anything you want in that voice. No training run, no waiting. Here's how I sound. But let's be real for a second. You're not buying that anymore. Luxury brands are currently in an absolute bloodbath. Sales are cratering. Their stock prices look like a heart attack. And for the first time in decades, the curtain is being ripped down. Welcome to the era of the luxury scam, where the quality is dead and all you're left with is a very, very expensive sticker. So yeah, you can hear a bit of a difference, but the AI does its job very well. And think about what this actually means for creators. Consistent AI voiceover in your own voice, dubbing your content in other languages, generating narration for videos when you lose your voice. That's real. That's useful. And it ran in about 20 seconds. Step 2, up the ladder. And this one genuinely surprised me when I first ran it. A-Step 1.5 generates complete music tracks, not loops, not sound effects, full songs with structure, rhythm, proper instrumentation from a text prompt. For anyone making YouTube content, royalty-free music that actually fits your video, generated in a couple of minutes, that sounds like a real production. No more scrolling through Epidemic Sound hoping something matches your energy.
Footsteps on concrete, every step sinks. Shadows in the alley, city never sings. Whispers in the dark, dreams turn to screams. Lights flicker away. Lost in the streams, haunted avenue where codes don't break. Life loops around with every step I take. Echoes in the void, buried secrets deep. Haunted avenue, secrets we keep.
Yeah. That's actually good. Like, I would use that. And in fact, I did use another song A-Step made. That's literally the background music for this video's intro. Full circle moment. Okay, now we're getting into visuals. Z-Image is your local image generation tool. Stable diffusion under the hood, but with one of the cleanest front ends I've used. You can generate variations, adjust the guidance scale, try different samplers. It's a full workflow, not just a one-shot tool. For thumbnails, mockups, social content, this is the kind of thing that would cost you $30 a month on Midjourney. Here, it's free. Alright, and now, the thing you've been waiting for. This is the one that made me actually stop and stare at my screen when I first saw it work. RTX 2.3 is a text-to-video model that's been specifically optimized to run on lower VRAM cards. On 8 gigs, you can generate 720p clips at around 10 seconds long, and the quality, I'll let the output speak for itself. Here's what I used.
That's it. Dad's lost it, and we've lost Dad.
Stop being so dramatic, Jess. He's just having fun.
That, right there, that was generated on a 3070, locally in about 5 minutes. No runway, no Sora subscription, no sending your creative work to some server somewhere. It just lives on your machine. And honestly, this is just the beginning for local video. The models are getting more efficient every few months. What needs 8 gigs today will probably run on 6 gigs by the end of the year. We're right at the start of this. So, 4 apps, 4 completely different things, all running on a GPU that most people would say is too weak for AI. Voice cloning, music generation, image generation, video generation, all free, all local, all yours. If this was useful, subscribe. I post every week, always focused on local AI that actually works on normal hardware. No cloud hype, no ridiculous subscriptions, just tools you can run right now. I'll see you in the next one.